We're about to make some awesome overnight peanut butter and jelly oats. They taste like everything that you love from your favorite sandwich for breakfast. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share a lot of these simple videos in the hopes that you're more confident in the kitchen and cook more meals at home. If this is your jam, hit the red subscribe button. You and I can cook together twice a week. Since it's just you and I here today, I'm making 2 overnight oats. I'm using old-fashioned oats because these are the ones that hold up best in the fridge overnight. And I'm gonna put half a cup per serving if it lands in my jar. What's great about overnight oats is that you can make them plain, or you could add chia seed and flax seed to make them more nutritious. They add fiber, omega-3, 6s, all that jazz. If you're gonna add them, you can add about a teaspoon of each inside of each jar. To that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of milk for each. And here's where you add your peanut butter. Let me know in the comments if you're a smooth peanut butter or a creamy peanut butter person. You can add either one. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon to each jar. And up next, I'm going to add jelly. And then we take a spoon and you wanna mix it all in. Then you're gonna place the lid on each jar. And these guys are gonna chill in the fridge overnight. And if you don't need to take the jars with you, you can also take a bigger container and add it directly in there. I just know that it's gonna be enough for 2 servings, and all of this can go in the fridge just like that overnight. Lucky for us, I made some yesterday, so I can show you what it looks like. When you bring it out of the fridge, you're gonna wanna take a spoon and mix them all around. Check them out. This is what happens overnight. Yes, you can be extra and add some more peanut butter over the top, a little bit more jelly. So delicious, creamy, tastes like a sandwich for breakfast. If you love this kind of recipes, check out this next video. See you next time.